Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will make speech to text converter wherein I will speak something and I will get the text back as an output. For this, we need the module called speech recognition and PyAudio. We need to have both modules. How we can achieve this? We need to call the recognizer class and then we will set our microphone as source. Whatever we speak, it will get saved to a variable audio, and then this audio will be used by the Google API method to convert it into text. So let's install these modules first. You can copy these, open your command line, enter it. The modules are already installed in my case. You can get your modules installed and start writing your code. I have created one file, speech to text.py. There I have imported speech recognition and I have given an alias SR as the name is quite big, so we have given alias. Now first we need to create an object to recognizer class. How we can do that? Let's say recognizer as variable and SR dot recognizer. Now our class is instantiated. Now what we need to do, we need to take input from microphone as a source. So how we can do that? We will use the with statement for that. How we can do? With sr dot microphone. We need to call the microphone method to get the input from the microphone. Let's say as source. With sr dot microphone as source. Now print something like when we run the code, we need to start speaking. So let's say listening, please speak. Right now one need to start speaking, so I'm calling this recognizer again to listen the source. How it will listen the source? Like this. You need to use the listen method for that from the source. Now it will get the input from the microphone and will keep it in audio. Once the audio is ready, this audio needs to convert to the text. How we can do that? We will use Google API for that. So there is a method for it. You can call it as recognizer dot recognize Google. What it need to recognize? The audio. Right? That's it. We are done now. Now we need to print whatever we have spoken. So type it as text is text. Now save this and run this, and make sure you are not in any noisy environment. Hi, my name is Sachin. Now you can see that it has printed, hi, my name is Sachin. Let's do it one more time. Hi, I am teaching Python. Now you can see that hi, I am teaching Python is coming here. So this is how you can create your speech to text converter. Thank you.